Hello friends, how are you? This is Deepak here from No Deep channel. Today I'll be discussing about how you can edit your video with the help of Invideo tool. It's actually a free tool, however you can take a subscription of it as well. So it's can be used for both the purpose. If you take a subscription, you will get plenty of other options as well. However, if you do not want to go for the subscription purpose, then the free one also does work really fine. All right. So let's get started. So for that, you have to open up your browser. You have to type in video. It is right. Okay, so here it is. So sooner this gets open, it will show you, the website wherein you will find all the options which are available. You have predefined templates, right, which you can use it to make your videos or to edit your videos, right. These are some predefined templates. There are other templates as well, right. Let me go down a bit. So see, you have plenty of options available in here, which you can use to edit your videos or which you would choose to add up in your video, right? With the help of this, you can also create your articles, that to create a really good article that you have and put it in a video content, right. So it helps you to edit videos as well as to create a video. The next is converting articles to video. As I already mentioned, whatever the article that you have, you can convert those articles into videos. You'll have all the predefined templates available here. Like I have clicked on YouTube right now, so they are giving us this kind of a frame that is used for YouTube. However, if you want to put an Instagram post, you can click over there, and what you'll find is the frame dimension changes, right. So they have all the options available. If you want to put Facebook news feed, you can click on this. If you want to put Facebook story, you can click over here, right. So it's all the customizable options that you get in here. Then going ahead, so the next category that we have here is which tells first is brand essential, second is trending, and third one is advertisement. When we talk about brand essentials, what they are providing is brand intro facility you get, and how you would be introducing your brand. All right. Then after that, you get brand promotion, templates you will be getting. Then you want to place an ad, then you will get the ad uh, templates as well. Then you have other branding templates. Then going ahead with the trending, you have the product video ad if you want to put. Then you'll get the template for this, right? They have other offers and coupons also available, right? Then moving ahead with advertisement, it helps you in video presentation. Then it also helps you to create bit-size ads and snackable videos, the short videos, right? So let me click one of these so that you get an idea of what kind of templates they have. So see, these are the templates that they have. Apart from these, they also give a bit of suggestions to you, which you can use to check whether what kind of ads that you are looking to go ahead. Like if you want to go for LinkedIn video ads, so you can click over there and you can create a LinkedIn video ad. Okay. Moving ahead, if you come beneath the website, what you find is Invideo actually provides a lot of things to you, which you can use for your own benefit. One is it provides YouTube video editor, then it provides invitation maker. It helps you create intro or make intro and outro, then helps in creating Facebook ad templates, then it helps you create slideshow maker, right? Slideshows, then ads, then it helps you create real estate, marketing, then YouTube intro, then Facebook video ads, helps you create poster, it helps you create Instagram videos, then wedding invitation templates it helps you create promo video, birthday invitation templates, online video editor. It's actually an online video editor. So these kind of tools it has. So with the help of Invideo, you can use these and utilize it for yourself, and definitely you will see the difference. Going ahead, it also has other tools like it converts YouTube to MP3, and it also can convert YouTube to MP4. Um, then if we go ahead, it has two plans. Then is if you are running a business, then the plan that they have is $10 per month. And if you do not run a business, if you are an individual, then they are charging $30 per month for the subscription. Okay, moving ahead, this will show your profile, right? Then coming here, if you have a team, you can click over here and add your team member from here. Okay, what his name, what's the person name, and what's his email ID, and what's the role that he or she is playing, and you can send the invite to them. Right. So this is the intro of the Invideo, right? And so it's a pretty handy tool to uh, utilize when you are editing a video or creating a YouTube video or any of the presentation that you are creating. You can take help of Invideo, and that too free of cost, right? So yes, that is all for now, and I'll come up with the next video wherein I'll tell you how you can edit the video with the help of InVideo actually. So stay tuned. I'll be back with another video wherein I'll be explaining you a lot of how you can edit the video through InVideo. Thank you, friends, and hope you like my videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.